On 6th of September, Amrang Border Committee ABC staged a protest and submitted a memorandum regarding the implementation of give and take policy in West Karbi Anglong district to Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, through Block Development Officer of Sacheng Development Block. In the policy adopted by both of the state's government, West Karbi Anglong Block 1 and Block 2 region seems to be included in this give and take policy. Both the government eye on giving away most of the Block 1 and Block 2 region to Meghalaya state. The policy was adopted by both the state to resolve the long-standing border disputes along the Assam-Meghalaya border region. But the policy did not favor to the citizens of West Karbi Anglong. Hence, Amrang Border Committee, along with the villagers residing along West Karbi Anglong and Meghalaya, staged a protest to show their displeasure and disagreement as West Karbi Anglong tends to lose its integral parts once give and take policy is implemented. It was informed that the villagers would never allow even an inch of land to be given to Meghalaya, turned up with higher numbers and staged a protest unitedly irrespective of their identities, religion, caste, color and gender. One of the protesters, while speaking to us, informed that Karbi Anglong district was established in the year 1951 and the state of Meghalaya was created in the year 1972. Until date, before the Conrad K. Sangma and Himanta Biswa Sharma came to the Chief Ministers of Meghalaya and Assam respectively, there was no any dispute along the border. Therefore, the citizens must be alert and conscious at this point of time. Appeals both the government to exclude West Karbi Anglong's Block 1 and Block 2 from give and take policy.
Give and take a policy along pen Block 1, Block 2 bang pajok ponong po. Halabangso give and take a policy bang galang tum chevi drone ponang pola je Block 1 and Block 2 ke dispute area kalipo.
The Khasi community residing at West Karbi Anglong informed that they had enjoyed all the rights and facilities they deserve, starting from opportunities and various government schemes.
Memorandum pen kachithandam je netum Karbi Anglong kidula ke netuma phan kai ki pusame kachine ka hulu torture la pen ke la sonta se development amu an pusame netum phan nang pipe po bangke la bangke alang litum baseless lo kaninge taplo pusi nilhin pen bangke alang litum phan puingtung.
The rumors of not providing any facilities from the government, extortion, threatening to the Khasi community aired recently is totally baseless and false, says Khasi community of West Karbi Anglong residing at Denglar, Arbon and Lamarang.
Report bete. Teng agarpat ye kilok penar ko syong hapo Karbi Anglong Assam. Hoi phi usnyo baklapi. Hoi phi uklambeit u report beit phi. Ye boy the phi ki report beit uchem sitom patan hadin habut.
Something English report from Jurikending for Karbi Anglong Live.